What is the probability of knowing what is going to happen after the elections, right? This chart right here shows us exactly what usually happens after every election. This is the chart of the US Russell 2000. Now, why we're using the US Russell 2000? Because the US Russell 2000 is a stock market index that measures the performance of 2000 smaller companies. As you can see, it's better used compared to the S&P 500 because it's a bellwether for the US economy. So through that chart, you can judge whether the US economy is doing fine. And right here, I have marked every single place where we had elections, or probably in the last 3 elections. As you can see in 2012, right here, this was after the elections. We saw that the Russell 2000 saw a massive pump to the upside. The same thing happened in 2016 when Trump won. We saw another push to the upside. 2012 was Obama. We saw a push to the upside. 2016 was Trump. We saw a push to the upside. 2020 was Joe Biden. We saw a massive push to the upside. And what has happened to Bitcoin in those periods? We can see the same thing has happened to Bitcoin, or basically the crypto market. After every elections, we usually see a massive pump right here in the crypto market, right? So as you can see in 2012 when Obama won, we can see that massive pump which we had in the crypto market right here for Bitcoin, or basically crypto in general. The same thing we saw in 2016 when Trump won. We saw a massive push to the upside right here in the crypto market. The same thing happened in 2020. We saw another massive push to the upside. So basically, we can safe to say that usually after elections, we usually see a massive push to the upside. Now, we want to estimate what could happen after this election and what could we see the price prediction right here for this coin. We are right here on the chart for Injective versus the USD Theta. We're on the weekly time frame. KuCoin is the day to source. And to get our post-election cycle theory and price prediction, remember we said based on the theory that after every election, we usually see a massive pump in the market. As you can see, after every election, we usually see another massive pump. All the last 3 elections for crypto has seen a massive pump to the upside, right? So if that is to happen right here for Injective Protocol, we are expecting Injective Protocol to see a push towards new all-time highs right here. Probably the minimum we should be expecting is the high which we had right here at around the 50. Let's see, around that $52 level. So we should expect at least minimum a 100 to 150% pump right here for Injective Protocol, at least 183 or about 200% towards that all-time highs if our election theory goes exactly as predicted. So subscribe, as I would be giving you updates as regards that. Thank you for watching and have a blessed